Hey, dear Didge family, how are you today? So, today I want to tell you about the Belly Toot, and that's the one I was just playing. And before I go further, please like, subscribe, and share, and make me get those 1,000 subscribers, because the 1,000th is gonna get a free online lesson with me. Well, if you live in the neighborhood, we can do it in the neighborhood too. Okay, so the belly toot. The belly breathing is basically the bass. So let's look at that for a moment. And that was goo. Remember the pump? So you start always with a sigh. Your chest is down. Then your belly is going to push up. Push the diaphragm up. Goo. And then you relax your belly again. Goo, 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 goo. So there's no effort in breathing in. That was the pump. So goo, 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 goo. Yeah, belly breathing. So if you can't do it yet, look at that video of belly breathing and then the pump. And then we can move on to this. There's another video I explained the toot. And I explained one that was changing of the lips. And I gave an exercise, this one. So what I was doing, my toot is my bottom lip goes under my top lip. Jaws a bit down. Not losing the connection between the lips, otherwise you will hear a stop. So that's another part which is very important, because we have to combine the pump, the belly breathing, together with this thing happening there. So the goo, 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 goo becomes. So you have a P, and the P is actually spitting down. This is very slow. You see how my jaw is helping? So we do that a couple of times. And do it with your cheeks full. See, really support it with the jaw. Now, the end we're gonna breathe in. Speed it up and make sure the breathing is completely relaxed, otherwise you can't get speed. Nice thing about this one, it sounds like the drone keeps going and the toot is there, so let's aim for it. Here we go. P, bottom lip, under your top lip, you're spitting down, your top lip is always also inward. I feel the air going there. And when my jaw goes up, my bottom lip needs to go out. And this with your cheeks full. Here we go. And I'm gonna speed it up. See if you can make that speed. it's all in the timing of the belly breathing. The toot, I try to hit it as short as possible. So don't make it too long. It's boom, boom, instead of goo, goo. It's gonna be boom, boom. And only the P is the toot, yeah? Short spit down. So I'm gonna show you with the belly breathing. So my belly, goo, 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 goo. I will take you to my belly, take you to my belly. There it is, here we go. Okay, so belly breathing. You see it moving. Okay, now I'm gonna do that thing where I'm gonna make the goo into poom. Bit faster, here we go. So that's it. Very clear, right? Okay, so good luck with that. And yeah, keep sending me comments. It's like the slowest you could do. And here you can see me breathing. When it goes in, I'm taking a breath of air. Well, it's just flowing back in. Let's put it that way. So have fun. Keep your cheeks full, otherwise the cheeks are gonna make it slower and make an extra sound. So cheeks full, make that jaw move, and the lips. Here we go. Belly toots. Didge Mama here, and my brothers and sisters and sons and daughters. See you next week. Ciao.